Hello, I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. And right now I am completing the holiday home cleaning challenge that is inspired by the Clutterbug. And if you have been following along, you know I just recently worked on decluttering my kitchen cabinets and drawers. And because of a family loss of one of our pets, I really just went through the motions of cleaning and decluttering. And for me, it was a very therapeutic way of dealing with my sadness. And with that being said, I didn't put a lot of thought into what I was doing with all the stuff I was moving around. So I basically created a large pile on my kitchen island, and I created an additional pile over in the entryway and a third pile somewhere in my office. So I really just moved piles around for a little bit, but this isn't me saying it to say I should get down on myself. This truly was me processing through my grief. And I figured if I was in the state that I was in, at least if I was doing these actions, I was getting something done. Even though I have to say, if you were to just start this video for your first video, you'd probably not see any progress whatsoever. But it was a constructive way of dealing with my grief. And this is just doing that kitchen declutter. I haven't finished the whole kitchen area. I do have a off kitchen closet that I use as a pantry that has not been touched yet. But the house just needed a reset. So this is really a mid Clutterbug challenge home reset. So this is not a part of the 12-week challenge, but I wanted to just show you this is kind of the state that my house and my mind was in. And I took a day, our family was home, it was the weekend, and I just worked on resetting my whole house, cleaning everything up, moving these piles to their homes as opposed to just having things spread all out. I threw away garbage. I got rid of the things decluttered, the things on that stool right there. That is all items leaving the kitchen. This is not my first declutter of the kitchen. So each time I go, I find less and less stuff, but I am still finding stuff to declutter. So it's so nice to have the process go faster and also make it easier to make decisions every time I do it. So in this home reset, I worked on the upstairs. My husband cleaned the entire downstairs, vacuuming the carpets, changing the litter boxes, all of that stuff in the downstairs level. He took care of that whole level for me, so I just focused on the upper level. And I have to tell you, usually this space takes me about 4 hours just going at a normal pace. Today, in this video, it actually took me around 6 hours, and that's because I truly just moved from task to task in no hurry. I just used the day to get stuff done. I took breaks. I have in the background a TV show that I started watching, Suits. If you haven't watched it, I thought it was a really good series, and I just moved from space to space. So this video is really just getting the house cleaned up so that visual clutter is completely gone, and my hope is that at the end of it, I'll be able to refocus on the 12-week challenge. I hope you enjoy this cleaning montage.
Some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight. Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say
Now, I have not looked all the way through all 12 weeks of the Clutterbug Challenge, and I am thinking that a master bathroom purge or deep clean is probably not a part of the challenge, only because it's kind of a hidden space and you're not going to have a ton of guests going in there. But I tell you, this space really is going to need some attention soon. So I am, fingers crossed, hoping we touch on it during the Clutterbug. We are literally just a few weeks away from the new year, and I know we'll be able to touch on that space in the new year in 2024. But that space needs it. I've put off decluttering the master bathroom cabinet, the upper one, and it needs it. So I am looking forward to the day that I get to address and declutter that space. Now, I did get everything mopped and things put away, and I just have to say how satisfying this last part is. I don't know why, but seeing the results of mopping the floor always makes me happy, and it was well overdue in our space because that water is dirty. A big part of that could be that we no longer have that front rug to catch any dirt and debris as we are walking in and out of the house. So something that I need to address pretty quickly because a rug is essential in the entryway for a Minnesota winter. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back the next video in the Clutterbug Holiday Home Cleaning Challenge. And I appreciate your support and for taking the time out of your day to spend it with me. Thanks so much. We'll see you soon.